Hello friends, welcome back on my channel Sparks of Knowledge. Here in this video I have covered the MCQs related to cable and connector topic, and without wasting time let's start our session. And in this video I have covered not only MCQs but also some questions of subjective type. So there is direct answer is given so that you can learn, you can revise, you and in MCQs you can check out the right answer. So now we start our video, and our first question is, what is the medium through which information usually moves from one network to another? And the options are cable, connector, switch, or ports. And the right answer is cable. Next question is, what are the different types of cable? And this one is subjective type question, and the answer is directly given so that you can learn. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, SATA cable, IDE cable, and HDMI cable, USB cable. Next question is, what are the two types of twisted pair cable? These are UTP cable, that means unshielded twisted pair cable, and STP cable, shielded twisted pair cable. Next question is, who has established the standards of UTP? And it's Electronic Industry Association or Telecommunication Industry Association. Next question is, name the standard connector for unshielded twisted pair cabling. And the options are RJ9 connector, RJ45 connector, RJ11 connector, or RJ12 connector. And the right answer is RJ45 connector. Which type of twisted cable is least expensive and susceptible to? And the options are STP cable, UTP cable, both, or none. And the right answer is UTP cable. Next question is, which cable has a high copper conductor as at its center? Coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, UTP cable, or STP cable. And the right answer is coaxial cable has a single copper conductor at its center. Next question is, what are the types of coaxial cable? There are two types of coaxial cable, which are thick net or thin net. You can say thick coaxial cable or thin coaxial cable with base 10, base 5 and 10 base 2 respectively. And the next question is, name the most common type of connector used with coaxial cable. RJ49 connector, BNC connector, RJ9 connector, or RJ11 connector. And the right answer is BNC connector. Here in the note you can see the further details about BNC connector. Next question is, which material is used in the center of fiber optic cable? And the first option is copper, lead, glass, or aluminium. And the right answer is glass. Which type of cable is ideal for the electrical interference environment? And the option is fiber optic cable, STP cable, coaxial cable, or UTP cable. And the answer is fiber optic cable. From which material is the outer insulating jacket of fiber optic cable made of? And the option is Teflon or PVC, aluminium, copper, or silver. And the right answer is Teflon PVC. Which cable is used for the connection of storage devices such as HDD, SSD, and CD or DVD drives to the computer? And the options are ITE, SATA, Cat6 cable, or HDMI cable. Here the answer is wrong given. This is not SATA but IDE. IDE is the right answer. Now next question is, what is the speed range of IDE cable? First option is from 100 MB per second to 133 MB per second, from 150 MB per second to 233 MB per second, from 200 MB per second to 233 MB per second, or from 250 MB per second to 333 MB per second. And the right answer is from 100 MB per second to 133 MB per second. And the next question is, when was SATA introduced? In 2006, in 2005, in 2003, or in 2004? And the right answer is 2003. Our next question is, which type of cable has been widely adopted with almost all televisions and computer monitors supporting the interface? And the options are HDMI SATA cable, IDE cable, Cat6 cable. So the right answer is HDMI SATA cable. That means high definition multimedia interface, as its name already suggests. Because multimedia is given, that means television and computer monitors. Uh, you can revise. Which type of cable has been widely adopted with almost all televisions and computer monitors supporting the interface? And options are HDMI SATA cable, ID cable, or Cat6 cable. And the answer is HDMI SATA cable. Here this one is SATA and HDMI. These both are different options, but here this one is another option. You can say this one is D, and the right answer is only HDMI, not this one. And next question is, what are the sizes available for HDMI connectors? And options are standard, mini, micro, all of these, or none of these above. And the right answer is all of these. Next question is, which cable is used mostly to connect computers to peripheral devices? Peripheral devices, that means you connect from outside like a keyboard, mouse. And the options are USB, HDMI, IDE, or SATA cable. And the right answer is USB. These are the features of USB cable. You have to choose what are the features of USB cable. Fast, carry power as well as signals, both or none. And the right answer is both. Here you can see another feature is hot pluggable, and the types of USB cable is given. And next question is, what are different AV ports? And the answer is given directly. There are 4 ports: digital audio for digital audio, video audio, analog video, and analog audio. And next question is, name an electrical connector designed to work at radio frequencies. You have to give answer in the comment section. So friends, if you have liked my video, then please like and share it with your friends, and please make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you all for watching my video till end and for your precious presence on my channel. Stay updated on our channel for videos, for upcoming videos, and thank you.